Hi, how y'all doing? This is Gabe Morrell. I'm gonna be you guys' RLA for the Strengths Cat community. Just to give you guys like introduction to like how the class is gonna work and like who I am and like who your teacher's gonna be and stuff like that. Basically, Strengths Cat community is gonna make you guys take a like quick survey to give you guys your top 5 strengths. To give you guys mine's is competition, restorative, belief, achiever, and learner. And that class is gonna like build your strengths and like make this like small community that you guys will like build in the class, help you guys open up a little bit, give you guys some friends when you guys get here, give you guys like a little group. And yeah, I mean, just like a little introduction to me. I'm from Puerto Rico. I graduated in Germany. I'm a military child, so I moved around a lot. I love sports. My major is news and sports media, minor in sports management. And yeah, what do I like? Let's see, sports, music, tattoos. That's basically me. I mean, other than that, what I'm gonna be like giving you guys, it's like a safe space. Hopefully we can build like a little like community between us. I mean, I want to be like the first guys you guys, the first person you guys meet when you guys get here. Just like show you guys around, show you what's fun, what's to do. I don't want to be I'm not your teacher at the end of the day. I'm gonna teach you guys stuff, but not like be on you guys' butt about stuff. I just want to be like the mediator. I mean, like someone you guys can talk to about a teacher, and then I go up to the teacher and I tell them, hey, like communicate with them and stuff, and just like be that person. Show you guys that like the way teachers in high school show you guys how school is or how college is like the opposite. Teachers are gonna be extremely nice to you and stuff. So yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys are having a good transition, and I can't wait to see you guys. Have a good day.